G'day everyone. Today I've come back to Mystery Creek where I catch carp and sometimes redfin and once even a cod, and I've even caught a few yabbies here in the past, and today that's what I'm doing. I'm putting in a couple of these little bait traps to see if I can catch a few yabbies. Rightio, now I'm putting in two of these bait traps, these collapsible bait traps. I've got them baited up with Goodo's dry dog food. I find Goodo's or just dry dog food in general to be really good for yabbies. I'm going to put two of these in now. It's just on sunset and I'm going to come back and check them tomorrow morning and see if I can catch some yabbies during the night. Rightio, now I'm not going to throw the nets out too far. If you saw a video that I made here a while back when I was fishing and I was using my deeper fish finder, what I discovered is that right out there it's a very open, muddy bottom. There's not a lot of structure for anything to hide behind. So if I was living in here and I was a yabby, I'd be holding really close to the edges where I can hide from the food or the fish that might eat me. So I'm going to throw this in nice and close to the bank. That's in around about 70 or 80 centimetres of water. I'll come back and check that in the morning. There is a remote chance that I might come back and check it in a couple of hours because I'm only about 10 minutes from home. An impatient check. I'll go put the other one in. Rightio, now we've just come downstream a couple of 100 metres. I'm going to put this one in under this lovely red gum tree. There's a few more snags and logs and stuff down here which might give the yabbies somewhere else to hide, but it could also get the net snagged when I go to check it. All right, folks, let's leave him in for the long haul, see what's in him in the morning. Rightio, folks, it's time for the impatient check. The net's been in about 2 hours. I've changed cameras. Loretta, my wife, was filming me before with a different camera. Now I've switched to the GoPro. But this is the first net I put in. Oh, I can hear something in there. Yes, oh yeah, look. Little ones, beauties. And a shrimp. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 nice sized bait yabbies and a freshwater shrimp. Great size yabbies for my lizard. I might even take a couple of these home now. Here, beauty. It's a funny spot this. I put a net in here once and caught like 24 or 22 or something in one net in about half an hour, and then a week later I caught nothing. But anyhow, let's have a look inside the net here. What have we got? Hopefully they're small because I'm just picking them up. There's a nice little yabby there. Ow. That's a freshwater shrimp. I'll put him, I'll throw him back in the drink. Actually didn't know there was shrimp in here. There's another nice little yabby there for my lizard. Keeping these. Where'd he go? He got out. Right. So there's two. I've taken 2 out and I'll leave 2 more in here. Ow! I can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm just grabbing them and hoping they're not too big. Right. There's 2 more. Look, they keep getting out. Hey, oi, back in there. I might take all 4 of them. I'll put the lid on. I'll put the lid on before they get away. They're getting out too easily. Right, get back in there. There you can see, folks, 4 yabbies. Hang on, I can get the light a bit better. Struggling to keep them in there at the moment. 4 nice little yabbies, not too big. Perfect size for Satan. I'll give him a couple when I get home, and I'll leave a couple there for his next feed in a couple of days' time. I'll put the net back in the water and I'll put some water in with them. Oh yeah, folks, this is net number 2. This is the one that's under the red gum tree here. Yes, there's 2 in here, and they're larger than the other 4. They're larger than any of the other 4. They're not big, but they're bigger. There's 3 in here, actually. I've got 3 about that size. So I've got 7 yabbies in here. Got 7 yabbies all up. 4 in the first net, and 3 in the second net, and another shrimp, another freshwater shrimp. Right, now I'll leave them in there. I'm going to leave them ones there. I've got the other 4 that I'm taking home for Satan. And these 3 can stay in this net. One's about the same size as the other 4. And the biggest 2, the other 2 are a little bit bigger. So there they are in there. One up here. And the yabby, the small one and the shrimp down there. And the biggest one down there. So far, it's been quite successful. So far it's been mission successful. Put that straight back exactly where it was. Now, I've caught 7. And I'm going to leave the nets in for the rest of the night now. The impatient check has happened. When I check them in the morning, there should be at least 3 in this net and none in the other net. Hopefully we can only go up. Right now I'm on my way out to check my nets, but I can't get to the water out there. So what I'm doing, I'm stopping here at the river on the way out to get some fresh river water. To keep yabbies, you should always use river water or creek water or even really dirty dam water. It's always much better than water from a tap. Water from our taps has usually got chlorine in it and the yabbies don't like the chlorine. So I've got some fresh river water. Now I'll go and check the nets. Now that I've gone to the trouble to get the water, there probably won't be any yabbies in the nets. Right, how did we go? Oh. There's only 3. There's 3 in there. Well, there was none in there when I left. So I caught 4 in the first 2 hours. And then in the next 10 hours, I've only just caught 3 more. But that's okay. That takes my tally to 10 so far. And I've still got 1 more net to check. Okay, time to check the second net. There was 3 in here when I put it back last night, so they wouldn't want to be. What the hell? There was 3 in here when I put the net in last night. Oh, now there's 1 tiny, weeny little one. I'll keep him because he's a good bait yabby. He's a great little redfin yabby, that one. Very small. But he wasn't in there last night. Now how's that for a net check? When I put this net back in last night, there was 3 yabbies in it. And now there's none. This is the new design net that they've got at Kmart here in Wangaratta. I don't like it as much as the old net. I'm wondering whether the string that connects the 2 funnels, so the string connecting the 2 funnels, and you're supposed to tie this bait bag to that string, whereas the other one doesn't have that string, it's just got a zip at the top. And I'm wondering whether the yabbies have been able to climb up onto that string and get out. All up I caught 11, and I've got 4 at home. All up I caught 11, and I get to keep 8, because 3 of them sort of got uncaught. Oh well folks, it's been a bit of fun. I've got a few yabbies for my pet lizard Satan. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked this video, why not consider subscribing to my channel, because I upload videos regularly, and hopefully you'll join me in my next video.